Now, looking for the phone, Master Mix-Up apologize, but I think during this one Republic. Yeah. Now, we're on the stage 3, but this is kind of shit, huh? Let's see the mountain. So very. We're on another tree. If you see that city of San Pablo, but we're on the back side of this mountain, so only we can see is the Mount Banahaw and the Mount of San Cristobal. This is the next stop, so to go over there. Oh! Don't do that. Oh. Shit, I'm doing it while knocking over. Yeah. Another. There's something smoke over there. And it's written form of information. Yeah. You see that? We're on the top of this mountain. We're over here. As you see, we're climbing over here. See the cool pics of San Pablo. And you see the whole Philippines. That's our safe house over there. We're doing that damn thing over there. There's a nice about the stuff of the mountain. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's fun. Very fun.
Buena.
There's a tree over there, but over here. Wala nang natitirang buhay doon, banda doon, pag umakyat ka sa pinakataas noon. Hindi ko alam kung may babubuhay pa. Pero kita dito ang mga ano. See that kind of tower over there. I don't know what's that. But you can see it on the camera. Yeah. Something over there. Yo! Oh! We go to the down. I have to. Bye bye.